So hello everyone, this is Kyle Regaza and I'm from BSIT 2-2 evening, and for today's video we will try to learn VB.NET, the GUI. So here we are tasked to do a simple calculator in VB.NET. So now after reviewing the link video on how GUI function, or how to start a GUI. So now we will go to our Visual Basic.NET in Windows App Form application, and where we'll try to create this we'll try to replicate this calculator. So now we'll go to our calculator GUI. I have here already a form. So first thing first, let's replicate the calculator nga gibuhat before una ta mag code so sa atong kan. So here excuse. So now let's try to see kung saan na sa atong calculator. We have here a calculator name, isa ka group box, duha ka group box, then with text box with then mga button. So now since we already have here an idea how to create a calculator, let's now try to design our form. So first we have here, let's try to name it. Let's try to change its name first from our properties. So if ever you can see your properties, you can just press F4 so that properties will appear. So here we will try to create this calculator. So here it's already changed. It says calculator. Now we'll try to change its variable name. So we have here form 1. Now let's try to change it to proper variable name, form calculator. Next we have here, let's go to our toolbox. So toolbox, we are here there is different toolbox na atong gamiton for us to make a calculator. Now let's try to replicate the calculator we have seen in the activity given to us by Sir Anki. And now we'll search for group box. We'll just try to remove the text so that it will just appear as a toolbox. Let's readjust it konti by konti. Next is to copy. Let's try to copy this group box. So you will just need to do is a drag and drop sa ato ang tools, and ato siya move for us. Ano na tanawon. Let's try to remove the name. Now we will add a text box for para inputan sa ato ang mga value so sa ato ang calculator. So text box, so drag and drop. So this one will be inputan sa ato ang value. And we'll try to change its name. Nato siya variable name. Let's say txt input. So here we will function. We have here text input variable name. Now next, base ato ang design sa ato ang GUI. Next, we will have a backspace, clear and off. So we have here another button. Let's add a button. Let's try to readjust it first para masigo ang calculator. So sa itong button, we have here, let's try to change it name first to backspace. And try for dali na nato siya ma-call. Let's try to change its variable name. So we have here button backspace. Ano lang, button backspace. Let's add another toolbox, which is clear. Let's try to change its name. Button clear. Button clear. And the text na to is clear. So here, fixed value na button clear. Then next we have oops. Here let's try to check no sub or no sub. No. So let's try to delete this. Okay, we have here button clear. We have a clear. Let's try to add another button, which is our off text, guys. Let's try to change its name to button off. And text value, right? Off. Now we have here a good replicate. So we have here C. Let's try to just try clear backspace, clear enough. Now we have here how do you do this? Square root. First we have, let's try to input first mga numbers so sa itong calculator. So we have here another button. Yeah, we can do just a button. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try to replicate it first. 1, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. Something like this. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm off with 1. Try to readjust our for better visuality. Hindi siya tanawon ba? So I'll just add a button first. Yeah, then after this we'll change the value or the variable name for a better readability. Dali na nato siya ma-identify ba. Then ito ba? Ano yun? May goods na here. kung saan na ginagmay nindot tanaan ba. More true so first we have here so 1 2 3 we have here 0, then we have here button num 0, have here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 button num 1. Let's try to change the value 1 2 button 2 button 3 3 and button number 5 number 4 die. Next is button 6 button 6 7 button 7 8 9 for the last number and button 9. And let's check if there is any next will be plus divide minus plus divide minus button operation. Let's name it button operation. Plus divide minus, then will be dot or decimal. And then divide next is button times multiply button multiply, and next is a minus and plus, minus or subtraction, we name it to button subtraction. And next guy plus, button addition. Excuse me. Next we have here to the power of x and over here have square root. Alright, then 1 let's name it button percent, maybe or equals. Now we have here now our GUI for our calculator. Now we will proceed to code. So first thing first, we check first the if all our button is excuse me, already have a variable name. Let's start check. All is clear. We have here now good. Let's now try to code ang atong ibuhat nga GUI ganiya. And now I have here the GUI design sa to ang kuan. So karon since we're already done giving variable name para sa nato ang GUI or ato ang kaning calculator, sa mga variable name nakaset na. So now let's try to code ang kaning calculator. So first ato sa ni double click atong form para ma-load siya ngadto sa ato here na-load na. So first thing first, una ta magsugod, let's try to declare mga variable sa sudlan sa ato ang mga numbers. So first declare tag dim operand 1 as double. Ang kaning operand 1 mao ni ang first i-input number so, sa ato ang user. So gi-seta na to siya data type nga double para in case nga if ever magbutang siya point or mga kuan may nana ma-readable gyapon siya sa atong compiler. Then operand 2 as double na dim operation as string. Next guy, we have here since we were inputting boolean man, so let's set here dim as decimal as boolean, and then dim temp value, something temp value for temporary value na to, the value as double. Next is for us makuha na to ang value sud sa ato ang kani, so kani ato di siyang gamitan o ganing text box na to nga variable name. Since we have here name text input, let's try to so first ato na i-click ang kaning zero nga button, so i-double click ta nato or double tap. So here para ma-set na to siya value ang kaning button number 1 or kaning ay button ng 0, at para mabutang na siya as operand 1 ngadto sa ato ang text box dire. So we'll try to declare nga kani siya nga ma-setan og value. So here text input that text is equals to text input that text and sender that text, same as kaya sa uban nganing 1. So copy lang nato. Same up sa number 2. Ato lang yan muna i-copy. Same as sa number 3. Same as number 4. Same as number sa 5. So on and so forth. Purpose anis niya is para ato ang kanang ma-read gani sa kaning text box na to ang 1, ang number nga gi-input mo act na siya as operand 1, kay ang operand 1 na to wala pa man ta nakaset og value sa operand 1 diri, at ang operand 1 mo ato na siya tagaag kanang value nga text input that text. So if ever na siya input nga number, mao ang una mo read diri. So number 8 and 9. Kana. Next we have here naset na nato value ang ano to ang mga number. Next sa button sunod kayo kay isig gubo, so excuse me kadiyat. Next atong button is ato ang hinaynayan ang kani tagana to siya code. So first we'll start with kani button file click, so wala na ko siya tagay og variable name. So gana to siya button operation lang nga name. So ato siya delete, and sa ato ang button version name na kung siya ikan ni equals -1 times txt input ito ba that text ano need na tong buhaton is ang decimal. So and now since we're already done inputting mga operations, so operations is kani. So let's try to proceed sa ating backspace, clear and off na to. So first button na tayo, may double tap ang backspace para ma-load siya. So ang backspace according sa ato ang kanang ipabuhat ang backspace, dapat if ever mag-input kuno tag 1 2 3, dapat dili ang 1 ang ma-delete, so dapat ang maunang delete is ang 3. So karon I'll try na to butang sa tag kanang variable para sa to ang variable name para sa to ang backspace. So here let's try to dim str as stream, dim lock as str lang, dim lock as integer. Na next kay backspace, so if ever tag if else if input if txt dot text less than less than 0, then mo minus siya og 1, and then tr is equals to text text input that text so the text that chars text what that text minus length minus 1. Then yeah, instead if text if declare naman is tr is equals to that is equals to decimal, then if the location is equals to text input that text that length is equals to text input that text is equals to text input that text remove sakto ba? No. We have here sakto ba if text less than minus 1, if tr is equals to that decimal, then that, then and if else location is next. We have here let's proceed to sa to ang clear same as ganiha ang clear is clear man gyud tanan. So let's try to clear na text input that text to ano na lang siya, text input that text set ato siya value nga wala, text is equals to ana na para server kung ma-clear kay kasi ito siya value ka 0 balik. Next ang ato ang off. Sadya ko nagkubo ko button at off same as 3, so reset to 0 and then next ang ato ang decimal. Now let's proceed to our decimal. So ito first usually itong button is double tap. So here we'll try to add an if statement. If int str if int sa ito yes text input dot text then exit sub exit sub else input that text equals to text input that text if then let's proceed to our divide. So for us to proceed sa divide, so syempre unang button is to have the atong gibuhat ganiya nga atong operand ato siyang i-try og call. So operand 1 is equals to val or value text. So here ato ang operand 1 or siya value nga ato ni value nga atong gi-input na to siya sa text box na fiber mapunta. So next is equals to text input that text is equals to then text input that text focus text input. Next is itong operator. So kaning kasabot na natin itong operator kay kani katong i-declare ito nga babaw ganiha mo to siya ito ang tawgon para sa ito ang switch case niya brag mo siya ito ang call ba no ang operator sensitive ito truth expression model. So the operator itong gamit but operation. So next is ang multiply same gihapon pero ang itong tawgon is ang kuana same format nani operand 1 is equals to val main text input that text and text input that text is equals to syempre ang operation nga gamiton operation is equals to kani the next for ato ang minus balik yapon turn 1. So usually gabalik-balik naman. So operation to para itong addition earned 1 is equals to y x text input not focus operation is equals to addition operation ay karo ka naran so naran siya guys pero now it working properly. Same gyapon atong buhaton sa ato ang power of atong square root and atong inverse. So here balik ta sa ato ang design. So since manam tas addition bari na set ta. So same button kani, but the sign is power. So sign sa itong power. So nito nas power na to kanila kan by this yan sa to ang square root same wala lang is ang operation. So sa to ang select case unya. So sa to ang kani so ang square root medyo tricky man siya button. So ato lang siya ang tahan if ever daw what if ang sa number dili ma-squared, so sa button magbuhatag if statement if text input text that length is greater than 0, greater or less than 0, then the value temporary value na to is equals to zip type input that text that length sa double. Next views the value is equals to dito ko call if so dito i-declare sa babaw. gamitan na to og kanang mga built-in library. Ano square root is equals to value. Next, text input dot text is equals to C type and decimal equals to was left yan. And that this is for our button square button naman for our square root. We just use built-in library function which is kaning system that square root. I-square niya ato ang temporary value or ang gihold niya value sud sa ato ang text box dito ang text input na to variable. The next over here our equal so sa sud sa equal so sa atong equal naparitay button percent nga na skip. So button percent or ang inverse function ato siya tawag convertible, di na siya sa percent that is inverse percent inverse nagsa pa siya ng nagangon okay wala siya so inverse so sa tawag inverse ato siya i-convert to 1 and if statement text that text and then 0 then convert is equals to 1 times val text input is equals to convert. And for our sunod ta sa ato ang button equal. So ato ang button equal. So katong operation na to gigamit ganiha nga kani atong operation is ato sana siya isod sa to ang switch case nga pangkuan sa tawag ganay switch case ato siya isod sa switch case statement na to. So first sa button daan kay magkaita o kanang variable nga result or total nga value nga atong nakuha. So di result double no diri na musod ang ato mga operation na to gamit. So select case or switch case operation. So case 1 buta na to diri kay plus. So result is equals to operand 1 plus operand 2 text input that text to string is equals to result to string. Case case for minus result is equals to operand 1 plus operand 2 text input the text equals to result that string case now divide and equals to yes 2 plus minus and times so this has operand 1 times and 2 the text so yeah, for our square root. Okay, I power result operand 1 to the operand is ang inverse na to 1 so is equals to operand text input that text is equals to and now let's try to run nga ato ang GUI is operational ba siya o dili excuse like 1 2 3 next space 1 2 3 plus 2 3 is equals to so dili pa kayo siya 1 2 3 plus 1 2 3 kung tag val nga 2 kung na to na declare ang val nga 2 value 2 sa to ang false man to wala to siya ng gawas text t input that text no? Let's try to run again mas can see sa diri sa to ang kuan nga let's try to provide an example based sa to ang gibuhat nga calculator na GUI so here however 1 2 3 4 5 6 let's try to function ng backspace so as you can see it's functionally function siya normally dahil so 4 5 6 8 9 clear so 2 1 off so let's try the operation 1 plus 1 plus 2 clear 2 minus clear siya na 2 minus 1 plus 1 3 times 3 is equals to 9 9 divided by 3 plus 3, and backspace 3 to the power of 3, it's 7. So 3 square root here, 3 inverse. As you can see, ito ang GUI calculator is functioning normally. So I hope you like my example and you hope you like my GUI calculator using VB.NET. It seems to be our code here seems to be functional, and I guess we're done with this activity. I hope you learned something. For me, I've learned something sa unang wala na discuss og taman sa mga professor, but karon nasabtan ako siya unsa siya nga gamit, especially sa katong unang video nga kita credits to sa ranking kay ako dito gihuman ng 1 hour para magkataon lang kay for me ang VB.NET nga GUI kanang jud ako nga kalibgan pag last sem, so naglibog jud kog tama na ni on how to operate nga kani kay kato jud ko sabot, but this time I somehow grasp the topic. May na lang karon even though hinay nagkakanga ko unsa buhatan or dili kay ko ka-follow sa logic, but still I learned something new, and that's it for my objectives karon. Gabi gabasa ko naminaw, and I also search for katong mga kaning event handlers ang method sa siya yan and how to ang uso ug unsa sad para na readability ang ato ang GUI dapat i-declare siya tara for us dili magbalik-balik ba pangita, but still I'm hoping I am gonna see improvement myself on this topic, and I hope I can learn a few things more with regards to this topic. Still somehow I succeeded my activity, and I hope you like it, and I hope you like the presentation, and thank you.